Brad Williams, XL Prime. We want to know the largest number in a range. We have a range 1, 2, 3, and we have a group. Now we won't focus on the group. We're just going to look at the largest number, not the max number, the largest number. What we're going to do, we're going to use the large function. What's the large function? The first argument is an array, and the second is the position as an integer. What does that mean? Let's take a look. We have an array. We're looking for C5, and what are we looking for? That K position is what we're looking for. That's E5. That's number one. We're looking for the largest number in the range. The largest number in the range is 95. If we want the second largest, 92. We want the third largest, it's 91. We're just looking at this array. We want to find the K position or the integer. Brad Williams, XL Prime. See you soon.